Welcome to RemedialOne YouTube channel. This is where we help students to prepare for Wassce exams and have a good grades. Today, I'm going to solve question on conditional combination. Remember that combination has to do with selection without considering the order. So let's start with the first question. A student is to answer 6 out of 8 questions in an examination. How many choices has he? If A, he must answer the first 2 questions. B, he must answer at least 3 of the first 4 questions. So let's look at the first part. So you have 8 questions and you have to answer 6 in all. But the first condition is the student must answer the first 2 questions. So the first 2 questions can be selected in 2, choose 2. Yes, 2 combination 2. There are 2 and we are choosing 2. Now because we have to answer 6 questions, if you choose the first 2, still have 6 questions because we have already chosen 2. So you are going to have 6 combination 4. Now 2 combination 2 is 1 times, and then 6 combination 4 is giving us 15. So the student has in all 15 choices. Let's look at the B part. So he must answer at least 3 of first 4 questions. At least means 3 or more. Okay. If he must answer at least the first 3 of the first 4 questions, so we start with 3. If he is to answer the first 3 of the first 4 questions, means that 4 and then they are choosing 3. So in all we have 8 questions and the first 4 we have chosen 3, which means that it will left with 4 questions, and because we have to answer 6 in all, so it will be 4 combination, or at least 3 means it can be 4. The student will answer all the 4 questions. So if he answer all the 4 questions, it means that we left with 4 questions and then the choice will be. So 4 combination 3 is 4 times 4, right? Or is plus. 4 combination 4 is 1 and then 4 combination 2 is 6. So you have 16 plus 6 giving us 22 choices. So let's look at the second question. A group of 4 persons is to be selected from among 5 boys and 6 girls. Find the number of ways of selecting the group if A, there are no restrictions on its composition. Now one thing that you should keep in mind is the nature of the committee that you are going to form. Now the committee at any point in time should have 4 persons. If there's no restriction, then it means that any of the boys or the girls can be chosen. So the first one is total number of persons will be 5 plus 6, which is 11. So if there are no restrictions, we have 11 people and we are choosing 4, and which is giving us 330 ways. So here you can easily use your calculator to do that. The B part. If there is equal number of boys and girls, the committee is supposed to be 4. So if there should be equal number of boys and girls, it means that the boys will be 2 and then the girls will be 2. So in that case, we have 5 boys and we are choosing 2 times 6 girls, we are choosing 2, which is giving us 10. 5 combination 2 is 10 times 6 combination 2, which is 15. So we have 150 ways. The last part. If it consists of either all boys or all girls, the committee number of persons in the committee is 4. So if it is all boys, which means that 5 boys and we are choosing 4, or 6 girls and we are choosing 4, so which is going to be 5 combination 4 giving us 5 plus 6 combination 4 is 15. It's 15, and which is giving us 20 ways. Okay, let's look at the last one. A committee of 3 lawyers and 2 judges is to be formed from 8 lawyers and 6 judges. In how many ways can this be done if A. There are no restrictions, B. 2 particular lawyers must not be on a committee, 1 particular judge must be on the committee? So the first one, if there are no restrictions, so which means it means that you have 8 lawyers and you are choosing 3, and 6 judges and you are choosing 2. So 8 combination 3 times 6 judges and we are choosing 2, which is equal to 56 times 6 combination 2 is 15. So we are getting 840 ways. The B part. 2 particular lawyers must not be on the committee. So what it means is that you need to take the 2 lawyers aside. You take them aside, it will be left with 6. 6 lawyers. That's 6 lawyers. And we are going to choose 3 of them. And then the judges too. We have 6 judges. And we are choosing 2. So it will not change. Go to 6 combination 3 is 20 times 6 combination 2, 15. So we are going to have 300 ways. C. 1 particular judge must be on the committee. So which means that you need to pick this judge, put him on the committee first. So the lawyers are 6. We have to select 2. First of all, put him on the committee first. So it will be left with 5 judges, and then the choice will be 1. So, but the lawyers will remain the same. So you still have 8 lawyers, and you are choosing 3 times 5 judges, and you are going to choose 1. So which is 56 times 5 is equal to 280 ways. Viewers, so soon we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you very much for spending your time to watch us. Once again, if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button